Yeah, guys, I just realized I didn't put the torque converter bolts in. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today I'm gonna try to work on the 72 man the wire harness, guys. It's been so freaking hot. If you in Texas, y'all already know what I'm talking about. It's been super hot. So it's about 8:30 right now, kind of cooling down. But anyways, some of y'all that rock with the channel all the time, y'all already seen this wire harness. I'm finally in the position to kind of try to start getting it in there. But what I was looking at, I see the grommet right here. So I don't know if I want to run the computer and the fuse box on the right hand side or the left hand side. I haven't got that far yet. I'm getting ready to open up the doors and see what I got going on. What else? Oh yeah, by the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low, yeah. I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, now we got that out the way. We can get right into it. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna finish today. But I mean, we'll see. I gotta go change clothes too. I'm not gonna get all dirty. I don't know who shut my dang hood. Somebody shut the hood. Shoot, man. Oh man, this boy heavy. Hold on, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to see how long everything's gonna be, cause the starter wires and stuff is like on the right hand side. So it'll be the best bet, y'all. I mean, everybody knows your fuse panel and everything's gonna be on this side. But if them starter wires is short, I don't want to be having to splice wires, make it longer, do all that crazy stuff. But y'all see, we got the motor in there, transmission in there, if y'all watch the latest videos. Oh yeah, and I need some doors, guys. I can repair these. But if any of y'all know where some 1972 Buick LeSabre doors are, y'all drop in the comments, let me know, or y'all can hit me on Instagram, and you'll get me way quicker on Instagram, to be honest. Yeah, I gotta go get some lights going. Ran into a bit of an issue, so I didn't have the drill bit to drill the hole in the firewall. And then I was gonna run it on the other side to the factory, where the factory spot was, but I need to keep that for the lights and the gauges for right now. So let us just get some of these wires ran, and then I don't know, I might turn y'all back on tomorrow or maybe tonight. We'll see how everything go. Well, it's a whole nother day. That harness kicked our butts last night. My son helped me out. Let me show y'all how far we got. So we got the computer right here and the fuse panel. I decided to go ahead and run it on this side. For the time being, I'm gonna put the computer up under the seat, guys, and keep it there. I seen some people running up under the hood, but it kind of looks ghetto or whatever you wanna, however you wanna say it. Kind of look trashy because you got all them wires going everywhere. I'm gonna try to keep it kind of clean. Here's the factory harness. I didn't cut that stuff yet because I still want to use the lights and stuff, so I don't have to run all them dang new wires. And then look at this mess right here. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of my nice clothes, and then I'll get ready to start on this thing again tonight. It's Saturday night and I'm always working, guys. Always working. But it is what it is, so somebody got to do it. This is the cheapest way to do it, guys. Learn how to do stuff yourself. You know, and you'll come out better on the higher end. So, all right, guys, we'll see y'all in a minute. My bad, guys. I just realized I didn't put the torque converter bolts in on the flywheel, so I'm trying to do that right now. And then on this motor, you got to turn it right here, so it's kind of hard for me to do this by myself. And then I had to try to find the bolts for it. Didn't nobody have any. Then I found some old original ones. But right now I'm trying to turn that and then stab these freaking bolts by myself, and it sucks. Let me show y'all. If I can get my camera under here. But yeah, you gotta line up the holes on that flywheel to the torque converter. So I keep turning it a little bit, trying to get it lined up. I got a little bit more to go, because I need this hole to be up here where that other one is. So there we go, a little more light. But yeah, y'all see this hole, how it's got the bevel on it? I need this hole to be up here, so I got a ways to go. But just showing y'all what I got going on. Once I get these in here, I'll start on the wiring. Well, guys, that took longer than expected. So I just tightened the last torque converter bolt to the flex plate, and I don't know, it's already, let's see, 11 at night. So yeah, I'm gonna probably call it a day, guys. I'm freaking tired. Maybe we'll get to wire something up tomorrow. We'll see y'all. Peace.